Making my chaga mushroom brew. Cool, 10-10. I've been making this tea with chaga mushrooms. I put oolong tea, chaga mushrooms, mint leaf, and ginger, and boil them in water. Then I have a mixture of cacao powder and cinnamon and nutmeg and spirulina, which I add to the tea. And I sweeten it with stevia. I usually add coconut milk, but I don't have any today. I ran out. Anyways, this brew gets me going pretty good in the morning instead of drinking coffee and Monsters. If you want to learn more about medicinal mushrooms, I'll put a link in the description. This is vlog number 23, connecting to nature and manifesting synchronicity. Yeah, let's do this. High vibes, high vibes. How's it going, YouTube? Out here at Idlewild Park, connecting to nature and prana energy. I set an intention to find the color blue. I want to see what kind of synchronicities manifest today. So let's see what happens. How's it going, man? All right. Hey, buddy. Hey. Looks like 1010 is my synchronistic number today. So as I've been filming today, I've been uploading photos and video to Facebook and talking about synchronicity, and a couple of my friends commented on one of my posts. I want to read those comments. First one's from Kevin. I have experienced synchronistic events many times over the years. I often only have to visualize something I need and then wait for it to show up in my life. It has happened so many times that I'm not surprised when and where or how it shows up, almost always when I need it. The next one's from my friend Will. What has really made a difference for me in that area is being able to finally move beyond the ooh and the ah and the what the F stage of the manifesting and synchronicities and start paying attention to everything else surrounding it, or them, and then start learning how to use it for my greater good. I've kind of had this blissed out feeling of joy like a little kid looking for the color blue here in the forest, and as it's been manifesting, it's been incredible. And those after reading those comments on Facebook, I thought they'd be really nice to add to this video. Anyways, that's the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you're into this kind of stuff. Have a great day. Peace in the highest vibration. One love.